I'm going to keep this super quick for you. This is what comes in 2 boxes, which will make up a sectional couch. I'm going to tell you all about it while you watch me put it together, and then I'm going to come back, give you that review, let you know what it was like to assemble, what it feels like, how it is, quality, all that kind of stuff. I do need to tell you this was provided to me to do this review, but with absolutely no instructions. They seem like a quality company. They sent me the stuff. They said, here, put it together. Show the people, let them know what you find out. Hopefully that's good. So this is the Soleil Jardin 4-piece acacia wood patio furniture. L-shaped outdoor sectional sofa. That is quite a mouthful. It is really nice. I'm putting it together here while you watch. It includes side tables as well as like a coffee table in the center. It has gray, we have gray cushions here. I think the wood brings a great natural and strong look to it. I really do like that. The cushions are thick and real. They weren't all compressed when they came to us. I wanted to quickly show you one of those areas where the instructions weren't the best. It references these things called bandages, and you can see them here. They're these straps, which you use them to hold the pieces together unless you wanted to separate the different units, but they tie them together nicely. It's just not really described well in the instructions. Wow, this was a project, not so much because it was a project, because it's Southern Florida and 80 million degrees out here today. You may see I look a little worn from the weather, but this is not worn from the weather, and I have almost all good things to say about it. What I'd like you to know is, in terms of the wood and the quality of the construction, it is absolutely outstanding. The hardware is outstanding. I wanted to review a couple design features which I thought were really important. First off, let's talk size. Here you see me all sprawled out. I am 6'2", and I was able to lie down comfortably on this thing. Speaking of comfort, I know I said that the cushions weren't pre-packaged and crunched up, but they are really quality, super comfortable. I get the impression that they will last a long time. The table is a great size. Like, this table is perfect. You could entertain here on this table. You could play board games. It is really kind of large. I was really impressed by both the size and the structure. Everything, all this stuff is super solid. I guess because it's real wood, it makes it that way. And the last thing I wanted to talk about while we were talking about tables are these end tables, which are built into the couches, which are really cool. They are both attractive and so functional. One of the things that I really liked about this, which is different than... Wait, I forgot one more thing. It has these cool adjustable feet, so you don't have to worry about the table wobbling on your, naturally not so even patio. If you've watched the channel, I've assembled a lot of furniture, and all of this came constructed. Like, you had to put the legs on it, you had to put the back on it, you had to put the cushions on it, but the cushions weren't like vacuumed down to the size of pretzels and had to expand to be fit. Like, this is the way it all was in the box. The one negative to this that I will say is the instructions are a little less than perfectly intuitive. They're definitely a little challenging. Like, I got a little screwed up at one point because it shows the back, this back area, as a frame. I wanted to jump in here for 2 seconds and show you how cool looking and kind of ornate and attractive this woven back looks. And I was looking for like this threaded full back, but it just shows it as a square frame. And as a result, I reversed something. Wasn't a big deal, took it apart, redid it again. It was fine, but I'm pretty good at these things and I went the wrong way with it. It took about 2 hours to do, and it wasn't hard. There was nothing terribly heavy. There was nothing in stupid, awkward positions. It was really just, also, it's such nice quality. I took my time putting it together. I wanted to do a nice job with it. So, yeah, about 2 hours start to finish, and you're good to go. I think this is gonna last a good long time. Again, I really love the wood. It's acacia wood. I know nothing about acacia wood other than I am sitting here looking at it, real wood. Like, this isn't like wood where the grain was painted on it or anything like that. This is wood with a finish on it, and it just looks amazing. Super solid, gonna last a long time. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.